Welcome. Are you ready for a simple and effective home walking workout in under 10 minutes? You have landed in the right place, my friend. Be sure to hit that like button so you never miss a video. Go ahead and slip on your sneakers and let's get started. All right, my friend, let's go. We're going to start with our basic moves. We have 4 basic moves. The first one is walking in place. So just get those legs moving. And let's walk it out. I'm going to set my watch. We'll be here for about 10 minutes today. And that usually equates to about half a mile, which is awesome, If we've not met yet, I'm Emily. I'm a registered nurse, a yoga teacher, a wellness professional. I create videos here on YouTube to help you reduce stress and find more mobility and balance in your life. This is my friendly and happy dog, Charlie. He's always up for a good walk, so we are making it happen today. So walk in place. 4 basic moves. This is number 1. We always return back to this home base. So if you ever get caught up in a move or just want to take a little breather, come back here. Keep moving. That's really the key. As long as you're moving, you are doing this workout right. I hope you have some good treaded shoes, so some good sneakers, and then something for hydration as well. And let's go into the next move. So the next move is a knee lift. We're just gonna lift a knee, take it easy. We're just warming the body up here. Lift up and up. If you do want to get the upper body involved, maybe tap opposite knee as the knee comes up. If that's a little too much, just keep it light and simple. It's really the name of the game here. Try to keep things easy, fun, and effective. So this is a full body workout. Great for everyone. I love it for myself. It's great for beginners, seniors, and anybody that wants a quick workout that's simple and effective. 3, 2, 1, return to your walk. Walk it out. I'm gonna help him out. There you go, bud. Okay. Keep walking. Home base right here, right now. Make it happen. Feel your breath. Can you feel your breath as it comes in and out of your body? Maybe it's starting to increase a little bit. It's good. It's what we want. We want to activate that cardiovascular system, so the lungs, the heart, full body. Wake things up. Might feel your heart pumping a little bit more. Next move, let's take our kicks. We're just gonna kick and kick, so alternating legs, maybe reach the arms. Reach and reach and reach. If this is a lot, you might have a chair or a wall close by for some added support. I love home walking and walking workouts because they're great for adding balance. A lot of my students come to me and say, I have no balance these days. And moves like this really help improve your balance, but we always want to be safe too. So yeah, have that assistive device if you need it. We're here for 3, 2, 1, return to your walk. Move your body in a healthy way every single day. That's what you've set out to do. And we're gonna make it happen. You're gonna cross that finish line strong. 10 minutes today. Whew. Check in with your breath. Take your talk test. Can you say a short 5 to 6 word sentence without getting too winded? You're in the right spot. If you do feel a little bit winded, back out a little bit. It's all good. Last move. We're gonna take a side step. So it's step and step, just side to side. Activate the backside muscles. The hips are working. Breathe. Nice job. So home walking, or just walking in general, has so many, unlimited benefits. But one of my favorite ones, super easy to do, but also it helps manage our glucose. So many studies are showing that if you take a short walk, 5 to 10 minutes after a meal, so they say about 60 minutes after a meal, it helps reduce your blood glucose. So great for anybody, including diabetics. We're all about the science here, right? I want to have, science-backed practices. Nice. Here we are, 3, 2, 1, return to that walk. I've been a nurse for going on about 20 years now. It sounds unbelievable. I've had the best time. I've met so many incredible patients. And now I am also a yoga instructor. I teach online. If you have any interest, you can always check out my website. I'll leave a link. It's emilydaugherty.com. And you can check out my online classes. Nice. But I work with folks in my community, and I specialize in teaching chair and beginners yoga. So it's been a great honor of mine to kind of mix the two passions I have, nursing and yoga, and share that goodness with the world. So, breathe, check in with that breath. Let's get the arms up. So as you walk, take a big full breath in, sweep the arms, and then exhale, let it go. Nice. Angel breath here. Sweep the arms, big breath in, and a big breath out. Let's do 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Your pace, not mine. And then last time. Exhale, let it go. Shake that out. Let's bring the fingertips up towards the shoulders. We're gonna reach up, down, out, and back. There he goes. Up, down, out, and back. Keep that going. Might feel that in the shoulders, the upper back body. Feel length through the spine as you reach the arms high. For 3, 2, 1. Shake it out, let it go, walk it out. Get those feet up a little higher. We are halfway through. We're actually at 6 minutes here, so let's get a few more walks in, a few more moves in, that's what I meant. Let's bring the knees up, knee up, maybe get the arms up. Raise the roof, my friend. Nice job. Have some fun. Maybe you're smiling. Maybe it's too early to smile, and that's okay. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Return to your walk right here. Move your body. Let's keep it going. Let's go back to those kicks. I'd like to do a single leg kick. So stand on one leg. I'm going to start standing on my left leg. Bring the right toes back, and then give me a kick. Oh yeah, really strong. I feel this for my balance. Maybe you feel it too. You could keep that standing leg a little bit bent. Let's do 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk it out. Yeah. Give you a high five. Nice job. These workouts go by so fast. We got about 3 more minutes to go. So proud of you for making a commitment to be healthy today. And I just want to let you know, when you create positive change for yourself, you're making a big splash in the world, right? You're creating positive change in your life and those around you. So, of course, if you have family that sees you working out, that just inspires them to do the same. So be healthy, be strong, live an active, healthy life at all seasons, right? That's really our goal. All right, turn to the other side if you want, and then press through that other leg. So I'm working with my right leg, left leg kicks back. Let's go for about 10 of these. Notice if one side's different, maybe one's a little bit more balanced than the other, it's all good. Here we are for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk here. Work out. Breathe. Where do you feel this? Are you enjoying this video? Please let me know. Send me a comment down below. It's so great to hear from folks all over the world making progress in their wellness journey. I love to be a part of it. I love to hear from you. Of course, if you ever have questions, you can definitely leave me a comment or connect with me on my website. Breathe. Find those side steps. Let's do doubles. Here we go. Use the space you have. Maybe sink the hips down a little bit lower, but always check in with the knees. If this is too much, you can stand up a little bit higher. Nice. Breathe. Here we are for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Return right here. So my mom and I started home walking about 20 years ago. I was in high school whenever I was first introduced to this, and I immediately fell in love. It was an easy way for us to stay active during the winter when it was cold here in our small town of West Virginia. And yeah, we just never stopped. She walks with me every week, and it's a great way to balance, again, at all seasons of life. Breathe here. I'm going to show you our last move. It's a toe tap back. So tap back, sink the hips down, activate those backside muscles. I call these the muscles of independence. We want our hips, our glutes, our back end muscles to be strong and healthy so that we can move easily throughout our day. You know, sometimes what we consider little becomes very big. If you can't get on and off the ground, if you can't go from a seated to standing position easily, that can be quite troublesome. So walking, workouts like this, yoga, other fitness modalities can be very helpful to keep those backside muscles strong for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Last time, return to that walk. Breathe. We're coming up on 10 minutes. 3, 2, 1. Nice job, my friend. Nice job. We did it. We did a 10-minute walk. Equates to right at half a mile. That's awesome. Slow down your pace a little bit. We never skip this cool down, okay? So slow it down, bring that heart rate down, bring your breathing back to normal. We call this our state of homeostasis. So we want to balance the body, the breath, the mind. Slow it down. Give me a toe tap, tap, tap. If you want to get a little twist in here, maybe you push and push. Woo. 3, 2, 1. Slow it down. Find stillness. Plant the feet evenly into the earth. Take an angel breath. Sweep the arms high. Inhale. Exhale. Drop the hands down. 2 more of those, just like that. You got this. Inhale. Exhale. Next time you breathe in, think to yourself, I am healthy and strong. And on your exhale, think to yourself, I am healthy and strong. Know that to be true. Know it. Feel it in your bones. You are healthy and strong. You made it happen today, my friend. I'm so proud of us. Great job today. Thank you so much for watching. If you're ready to get started on your wellness journey, be sure to book a free 15-minute discovery call. Links for that are in the notes below. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Be sure to also like, share, and subscribe these videos. That just helps more people find me so that I can help as many people around the world. And yeah, see you again next week. Bye-bye.